What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we've been seeing the rise of IEMs, or in-ear monitor headphones in gaming for quite some time now, and I think there's a specific reason to this, right? I think a lot more people are spending more time in front of their PCs, whether it's for work or for extended gaming sessions, and like you get ear fatigue when you're using over-ear headphones. I've used a lot of over-ear headphones that like reduce this by quite a lot. And maybe you don't get as many headaches, maybe you don't get as bad ear fatigue or just, pressure building up in your head while you're sitting there for like a super long gaming session. So I think that more people are spending more time in front of their PCs or with, just in general with headphones on. And I think that's why we're seeing the rise of IEMs when it comes to content creation, gaming, streaming, and that sort of thing. And you know me, I love my Bear Dynamic DT990s. But there's something about IEMs that gives you a sense of freedom. You could wear a hat, you could wear your glasses, really doesn't affect anything, and they're really, really comfortable. So today we're going to be talking about the Kiwi Ears Quartet IEMs. I have been testing these out non-stop in every application, right? I've been using them for gaming, for listening to music, and for doing some editing. Now, keep in mind, I want you all to know that I'm a content creator, I'm a gamer, and I am definitely a bit of an audiophile, so keep that in mind when you're listening to my thoughts and opinions on this product. So before we get started, I just want to say that the Kiwi Ears Quartet in-ear monitors come in at around a $109 price point. So kind of like a mid-level range for, headset for gaming or just for music, whatever it is that you guys are going to be using them for. And this is a quad driver pair of IEMs. So without further ado, guys, let's dive in and do an unboxing. All right, so I think now I should tell you guys about my experiences while using these in-ears. And like I said before, I've been using them for a little over a week now. They're not fully broken in yet because it takes quite a lot of time to fully break them in. But I've been using them in gaming, first-person shooters, playing Escape from Tarkov. I've been listening to a ton of music from heavy metal to hip-hop to lo-fi and crazy EDM in the middle there. I wanted to get a nice wide range, variety of music to test these things on. And I can honestly say that, we do these videos on these products to say, is it worth it, right? And I can say that the Kiwi Ears Quartets are worth the price. The $109 price point for the level of audio that you get out of these things is unbelievable. They are very worth the price, and if you are any type of audiophile that can tell the difference between bad and good sound design, these are really, really good, and they will work when it comes to gaming, especially if you're playing FPSs and you need to hear footsteps and everything like that. They work really well for that. They are awesome to listen to music on. I noticed that if you put the switches up all the way, both switches up, facing up top, the way that they come in the packaging, you're going to get a ton more bass. So for me, what I really enjoyed was I had the 1 set down and the 2 set up. I don't know if I can get the camera to pick it up right now. Let's take a look. So I have the 1 down and I have the 2 up on both of them. And to me, that gave me the best sound. There was still a good amount of bass and the highs were a lot clearer. And I noticed that it was really helping me hear footsteps and things like that in games a lot better. So are the Kiwi Quartets worth the price? $109? Yes, they are. I definitely would recommend them if you're looking to get a pair of in-ears in the $100 price range. I will be doing a couple more videos because Kiwi did sponsor this video and send me 3 pairs of headphones. I'm going to be reviewing the Dolces and the Cadenzas as well. I think they're Cadenzas. Yeah, Cadenzas. So I'm going to be reviewing the Dolces, which are, I think, $25, and the Cadenzas, which I think are around $30 to $35 price point. We're going to be reviewing those as well, and then comparing all 3 sets of these. Up until right now, my Moondrop Arias were my favorite pair of IEMs, and when I'm not using IEMs, obviously, I'm using my infamous Beyerdynamic T990s, which I also love. But like I said, I had to switch to in-ears for a lot because I was starting to get some serious ear fatigue and some headaches and things like that. So Kiwi did reach out to me and they were like, hey, we got some products we want you to try and, you know, do an honest review. So there is nothing in this sponsorship that means that I have to say these products are good. I told them that my reviews are going to be honest and I don't like to push bad products on my audience. So for me to be using these and enjoying them is why I'm telling you guys that I think they're worth the price. If you're looking for something in the $100 price range, if you're not and you want to spend a little bit less, just give about a week or two. I should have the other 2 videos out on the $25 pair and the $35 pair. But I want to get some good use out of those and really put them to the test so that I can give you guys my honest thoughts and opinions on them. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next time I post a video. And if you want to pick a pair of these Kiwi ear quartets up and you want to use my Amazon affiliate link down in the description below, it does help me out. I do make a commission off that sale if you use that link, so I would greatly appreciate that. And if you guys want to hang out with me live, I do stream on Twitch and on Kick at twitch.tv/hammerdance and kick.com/hammerdance if you want to give me a follow on there. But anyways, guys, that's all from me. I want you to keep those hammers up, and I'll see you next time.